Good morning, music students. I miss all of you. I wish we could be at school together, but video will have to do for now. Okay? So, music class today, we are going to start on Google. So, on your computer or your phone, go to Google. Once you get to Google, come right here and type in Chrome Music Lab. Chrome Music Lab. And then I'm going to hit enter. On this screen, you're going to click right here where it says Chrome Music Lab. And you will get into the Chrome Music Lab. There are lots of apps in Chrome Music Lab that you can use. Today, we are going to use this one called Song Maker. So click on Song Maker. And then you get to this page. At the bottom down here, this is the drum beat. So this is the bass drum. This is a snare. So I'm going to put bass, snare, bass, snare, bass, snare. Okay? Now, when I hit play, okay, you can do the drum beat. Now, when I go up here and click on these squares, okay, now when I go hit play, okay, if you want to erase anything, you just click and it goes away and it erases. So I want to change all of this. Now I'll try and play again. Okay? So today I want you to create a song in SongMaker. Then get your phone and record a video of your song, about 10 seconds, and then either text it to me or you can send it to me through Schoology or you can send it to me through Facebook. Okay? So use your phone, record a 10-second video of your song, and then send it to me. Okay? Have a great day.